Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I said I was going to show you all of the stuff that I got in my Dollar Tree haul earlier this week, how to put all of that stuff together for DIY Mother's Day gift ideas. Sorry guys, I have a cough. I have a little bit of a sinus cold. So anyway, before we get into the video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Also, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked down below. And let's get into it. Okay, so the first one is this. I'm going to try to do this without dropping it. It's this, and it has a little note, and the note says, As a mom, one of your greatest wishes is that you don't have to do the dishes. I'm here to make your dreams come true. Happy Mother's Day from me to you. Now this I would love to get on Mother's Day, by the way. Not having to do dishes, the only thing missing is cups. Okay, the second thing that I have here is a jar of nail stuff. It's some nail polish, embroidery, emery boards, pumice. You have a nail brush along with clippers, and here we have the nail polish remover. You can also put cotton balls and Q-tips in here, but I made this little Happy Mother's Day strips punch outs with that little letter puncher that I bought. Okay, so another cute little thing you can do for mom is a Mother's Day emergency kit. This is so cute, and I would totally love to get something like this for Mother's Day, by the way. Next we have our kind of bath pamper kit. Told you the tissue would come into play into this. So we have tissue, candles, the bath salts, and bath bombs in this one. And you can keep this basket to store all this stuff in your bathroom. next we have some house shoes that I got from Victoria's Secret, along with some Victoria's Secret lotion, and I just tied it all together with a lace bow. This is a cute little one. I just kind of taped this one together. It's the two little plants that I showed you, along with some seeds and some potting plants for the mother who loves to garden and grow things. Next we have the cute little kitchen utensils. We have the kitchen towel with two pot holders and two wooden utensils. And again, I tied it together with a lace ribbon. So cute. Today. Okay, the next thing that we have are those two cute little boxes that I showed you, two notepads and some pins here inside of the boxes, and they are so pretty. For those of you who didn't watch the haul earlier this week, my mom's favorite candies, the Butterfingers, along with those strawberry candies in this one, and the next one has more strawberry candies and York peppermint patties. So that's pretty awesome. And lastly, we have yarn, because like I said, my mom loves to crochet and knit, so she's gonna love getting this yarn. And then we have this candle making kit for her. So this would be something else that can go together if you have a crafter mom, or you have a mom that loves to knit. Then here you go. And the yarn came from Walmart, along with this candle making kit. And besides the house shoes and lotion that came from Victoria's Secret, all the rest of those items came from Dollar Tree. So you can take care of Mother's Day this year with everything going on pretty inexpensively. You don't have to go overboard. My mom loves the simplest things, and so I think I got that from her, because everything I showed you guys she's gonna love, and I know I would love getting from anyone on Mother's Day. So I hope you like these ideas. If you have any ideas you would like to share with me, leave them below or share them with me directly through my social media. So yeah, that is the end of today's video, and I will see you guys next week. But before we go, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Also, make sure you are following me on social media. The links are down below. Make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!